What it do, what it is, and what's good, YouTube, and welcome back to Beard Talk with Matt. Today, I have a review on the Old Guns Beard Care Musketeer Mint Oil and the Musketeer Mint Beard Wash and Softener. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Thanks for staying tuned. Like I said today, we're in for a real treat with this one, Old Guns Beard Care. I was wicked excited to do this review because I love the theme of this. The themes are awesome. The old guns, the names of the products, it's really awesome. Taylor's the owner, and he reached out to me when I was fairly new, and he's the first person that actually reached out to me to do a review for his product. And I was wicked excited and wicked honored. Taylor, thank you so much, brother. So, like I said, it was the first company. He took a chance on me. Thank you so much. He wanted some feedback and some reviews because his company was fairly new and he was just starting out and wanted to see, his words were, he wanted to see what he needed to improve on and to make the product better for the customers. That's outstanding. When an owner wants to do something like that, you know, that's great. I really appreciate that. And just a little spoiler alert, I really enjoyed the product. So this company is veteran owned and operated. Taylor, thank you for your service, brother. And each portion of your purchase is donated to helping a homeless veteran get off the streets and rebuild their lives. That's tremendous. You know, I really appreciate that, what he's doing for all those veterans out there. There's too many on the street. And Taylor, what you're doing, you're the man, brother. You're the man. So, I've talked to him several times. Taylor's a great guy. And he recently, before I shot this video, he asked me, Matt, would you be interested in a discount code for your followers, your subscribers? I said, that's awesome. I love something like that. So, you get 15% off ogbeardcare.com, Old Guns Beard Care products. 15% off. The code, I'll put it right here. It's Matt2018, and I'm going to put it right here. 15% off. Taylor, thank you for that, and that's for you guys. Thank you guys for supporting me, subscribing. I appreciate everything. Now, let's get into the review. He sent me the Musketeer Mint Beard Oil. It's 1 ounce, amber bottle. I like the labels on there. It kind of goes with the theme, the old guns. Let's look at this oil. It's got a little bit of a yellow tint to it. Not bad. I would say this is about a medium thickness, a little less than medium thickness, which isn't bad. And that peppermint. Whew. It's a nice smooth peppermint. It's not one of those peppermints where it's like you had too many peppermint candies and you can just smell the peppermint like crazy. This is a nice smooth peppermint. This goes into the beard really nicely. It conditions and it hydrates. Great. Now the peppermint, I would say the scent lasts about 5 to 6.5 hours. And the reason I do a time frame like that is when I'm outside working, when I'm during work, it lasts about 5 hours. And then when I'm home or not doing too much where I'm outside, it lasts about 6.5 hours, which isn't bad. You know, if I had to knock one thing, and it's not really a knock, I just wish the scent would last a little bit longer, but it could be because my beard is very thick towards down here and very curly that it just absorbs really quick. But it's great. I love it. And like I said, the peppermint is nice and smooth. It's not an overpowering peppermint. So let's get into some of the ingredients. On here, he has the scientific name of the ingredients. So he's got jojoba oil, almond seed oil, peppermint oil, and then there's one that I looked up. It was citrus, what is it? Citrus synthesis oil, which says it's sweet orange oil. Great ingredients, because you want to know what? This is cruelty-free, 100% organic. Doesn't get better than that, and that's great. And this oil goes for $20. All his oils do. That's about in the medium range. I would say it's a little bit in between that medium to high price range, which isn't bad. But I'm going to show you where you can save some money and get 2 products and save a little bit of money. The Beard Wash and Softener. It's 4 ounce, amber plastic bottle. Same scent, Musketeer Mint. And I've used this a few times. You know, you only wash once or twice a week. So I'm doing about once a week, and I co-wash the reds. And it's got a nice peppermint smell, and it does not linger on after your shower. And I will let you know right now, it says beard softener and beard wash. And this does soften my beard right out of the shower. And I tested it, because normally after I wash, like most people do, I put co-wash in right away and through my shower. But I wanted to test something out to see if this softened it alone. And after my shower, after I used this, and I didn't co-wash that day just to try something, it left my beard nice and soft. This beard wash does a great job. It gets rid of all the built up balm and oil and all that stuff. It strips everything, and it's good, and it does make your skin feel good underneath, and it makes your beard feel soft. And this goes for 15 bucks. And this is where I'm gonna save you some money, guys. 30 bucks for both. That's a great deal. So basically it's kind of evening out to 15 to 15, which makes it a great price point, which is outstanding. And with my discount code, you will get 15% off. And that's Matt2018. So make sure you use that discount code. Check them out at ogbeardcare.com. I recommend the Musketeer Mint. I know he's got several other oils and several other washes. Go ahead and check them out. This was Matt approved. Hey guys, what it do, what it is. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't. Like the video if you liked it. Comment down below and share. You want to know why you guys need to share? Because let's share the wealth in this beard community. But I'm close to 350 subscribers. And once I get to 350 subscribers, I'm having a giveaway. What's better than a giveaway? Not too much. So share this video, share it with your friends. If one of my subscribers, each person gets one of their friends to subscribe, we'll get to 350 in no time. See you next time.